The end of your event means you're going to have to take down your party tent. Start by untying the rope around your center pole so that you can go and pull it out of there. Make sure to do this slowly, gently lowering the middle of the top down as you remove the center pole. You'll also want to take this time to lay out your ground tarp under your tent. Once you've fully laid out your ground tarp under your tent, you can begin to break down the tent itself, leg by leg. Loosen the tension between the stakes and tent, giving yourself the necessary space to angle the tent leg down so that you can pull it out of the tent top. Continue to go around and do this for all 4 legs supporting your tent. With your top now down on the ground, you can work to fold the tent top back up so that it can be stored back in its bag. Be sure to fold it up as tight as possible, making sure to keep all the extra roping together before you begin to roll it up. If you have a second person with you, they can begin going around at this point and pulling apart the legs to make sure that they're back in their 2 separate pieces that they started in. Roll up your tent top, making sure to roll it tight enough so that you can store it away in the bag again. Once you've done that, and pulled apart and stored all of your leg and center pole pieces, you can fold up your tarp and store that away as well. With this done, your party site is cleaned up to the point that it looks like you had never set your tent up in the first place. Thankfully, this tent is an easy takedown, taking our guys no more than 6 minutes to have completely taken this all apart and stored everything away. As always, you can feel free to give us a call or check us out at tentandtable.com.